good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil at Trading Capital Markets, and today we are the 10th of July, 2025, and we're currently 8:46 a.m. All right, so let's see what we got over here. Asia's low was taken, Asia's high was taken. What wasn't taken was London's low. London's high was taken, and we also have the New York AM high. AM low was taken right after, and lunch low. So now we're playing between the PM low, New York lunch low, and London low, or the only one that's left above these highs over here is the New York AM high. So much more opportunities below if we want to short and come take these stops. Will the market deliver that way? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's do a little market structure. It's very gappy over here. 645. Okay, let's start. Well, we did go higher. We did make a new leg from here to here. We took these highs over here and started turning around. So let's say this to here, to there, back up to here. The rest of the move is going to be internal range liquidity as long as we don't pass this. But these are looking very smooth, these lows. Probably come get those and a dip back into this one that hasn't been filled. This fair value gap with a gap hasn't been really delivered to, so let's keep that as a target over here. It's gonna be FVG. So there's a target, and there's also these smooth lows over here. Smooth lows, sell side over here too. London low, sell side. So smooth lows, one fair value gap that hasn't been delivered to. We got good news for continuing jobless claims and initial jobless claims this morning coming in lower than expected, which is good for those numbers, good for the dollar. Let me change the time frame a little bit over here. Let's take well, first of all, we'll do buy side over here. Like that, we keep them all in. Buy side, perfect. Take off the indicator. Over here, you see this? I didn't take this wick because the bodies didn't close above these highs. So technically, that's the high that it made. It just did the damage to come get some stops. Continued lower, and every time over here, right after taking the high on the left, over here, we did a bullish fair value gap and then inverted it right away. So bullish fair value gap over here, inversion, turned inversion, and then we went short. Then use a 30, spiked up into these fair value gaps right here. Sorry, FEG spiked up into those fair value gaps. This one wasn't tapped into. Continued lower. After that, after coming to take these stops above these highs, create a new bearish fair value gap. Tapped into it, went lower. Create another one here. And this is maybe where we start seeing a shift in momentum back up. So might come get these target sell sides as equal lows, really smooth lows. If not, we might just take this low and rebalance a bit higher because within this leg that created a new high, this is the internal range liquidity. So this low, and if we take the fib and we just stretch it out to the top, right over here, whatever, right there, the 70% optimal trade entry is right here. So below these lows, and even could go to 78.6% retracement. So this is the zone that we'll be looking at for potential buys. Let me just make a box like that. It's nice and easy, and we can keep that as a view while we're trading. So this, we're gonna turn it green, because that's the place where we would like to buy if ever we stay bullish. And that's a bit too perfect, too opaque. So here we go. We took these lows right here that remained, or within the macro time too. Let's see if we start switching directions or not. That's it for today, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the pre-market analysis. So above these highs were bullish, below these lows over here were bearish. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.